Well, guys, we got one spotted up here, probably about 430 yards. Got the 22-250. We just slapped together some 52 grain ELD loads. I just happened to come down to Garrett's house to get some stuff loaded. I didn't bring any bullets, but he just wanted me to try them out. Sure enough, shot a really good group with them. But anyway, we're gonna try to get on this guy here. So we gotta move up a little closer. It's pretty windy. Alright. Stop moving around. Done.
Hammered him.
Oh. I'm gonna give him another one. Oh my god, this thing's trying to double feed. Yeah, I'm gonna give him another one.
Okay.
Well, he's definitely done now. 330 yards with a bullet that we literally just loaded today. I love this 22-250, but I sure as hell don't love carrying it around. But I was nice and stable on him. Just that's one upside to the heaviness of this rifle. You stay nice and stable. We already hoofed it in, uphill about 100 yards or so. So heart rate was high, breathing was pretty heavy, but the gun just stayed right put on him. I know the first shot I was aiming right for his head, and I watched it hit him right in the guts. Of course, we got pretty strong wind today. It's actually not too bad now that we're up by the woods here, but so first shot hit him right through the guts here. Second shot, he was kind of facing us, and maybe I didn't hit him on the second shot, but there's a little exit wound. Yeah, that's a 52 grain ELD. But yeah, we got us a dead woodchuck anyway, guys, so pretty happy to get the old 22-250 out again. This first woodchuck we got today, we've been out for a few hours now and just haven't seen any. I don't know if the wind's just got them hunkered down or what, but maybe we'll go out and try to get another one today.
Woo! Well, I think that got him. Let's go check him out. Dude, look at that. That's friggin' nuts. Dude, it's just constant, too.
I don't know, wind's not horrible. It was pretty bad earlier, but yeah, let's get on him, give him a shot. Yeah, he got right the hell out of Dodge. A little high, huh?
Yeah.
Well, folks, guess we're gonna wrap this video up with a miss. Oh man, there's one right here. Like close, right?
Yep.
Yeah,
Get on him.
we're not ending this video with a miss, folks. Yell at him or something. He done. Just needed to see that head. That's all.
Now we can wrap up our video.
Yeah, I was gonna say, I was about to wrap this video up because we gotta go have some dinner. And it's like, yeah, we're gonna end this video with a miss, but this guy popped up. I seen him moving around. I was like, you know what, we're gonna take him. So what was that, 100 yards?
Yeah, 105.
105. So that's a chip shot for this thing. So there you go. Well, here he is. Not much of a tracking job involved with this one, but when I seen him through the scope, he picked his head up just like that, and I knew right there that was a good shot. Right there's the exit hole. 22-250. Man, that really opened him up too. So that was that 52 grain ELD match bullet. Basically just trying it. I wasn't even really too interested in trying them out, but Garrett's like, I want to see what they do to woodchucks, and he had some to give me, so decided to try them out. Shot a good group with them earlier today. Just loaded up 5 to hunt with, and we've got 2 on the ground as a result, so pretty happy with that. And that's gonna wrap up this video for today, folks. Really want to thank you guys for tuning in. We've been getting a lot of new viewers, subscribers. I want to welcome you guys to the channel. Hopefully we can bring you a lot more action here. Of course, share the video, hit the thumbs up, that helps us out. And if you'd really like to help us out, check us out on Patreon. For $1 a month, you get a spot on our credit reel, and you also get early access to videos. And you'll also get some exclusive clips, you know, just things we can't make full videos out of. I usually just throw it up on there too. So yeah, anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one.